Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MedVision. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to never miss the new update. There are a couple of links present in the description box which will help you in solving this question, so don't forget to check those links. Now let's get started with the question. Radial artery is an important component of A. Thenar space, B. Hypothenar space, C. Midpalmar space, D. Anatomical snuff box. Comment your answer in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also join me on my Instagram and Facebook page for notes, quizzes, charts of all my videos. The links are provided in the description box. See you soon in my next video.